ASAP Plumbing and Lift Station Services, 904-346-1266, state certified contractor, CFC 056659, emergency contact information. All right, so here's our new lift station panel box. It is connected to this system, which has a series of 3 floats. This is our second day of testing. We put this thing through a pretty good amount of tests. We tested in the beginning with water, and now we're actually testing with sewage. The tap at the other end is, here it is, it just kicked on. Very good. I don't know if y'all heard that kind of sound. Yeah, that means the pump kicked on right there. So it's in the automatic function. And because that's pump number 2 is running right now. And it will literally pump it all the way down. We trimmed down our clean outs. We started up here. With a sewer line replacement from the house down about 100 feet down into a lift station. And the lift station runs out to a valve box out here, and then out to the street, which is a city force main, county force main. And again, this is a lift station that we put in. This is basically a commercial grade lift station for like a restaurant, but in this case, this is going to be a very big house when they get done. And so right now it's about 2,400 square feet, and they're going to increase the size. The property owner is going to increase the size to about 5,000 or 6,000 square feet. So that's why we put in this very large lift station for them, because they wanted to tie on. They were on city, they were on septic, and now they're switching over to city sewer. So originally they were on septic, which is right up there at that hill there, and they wanted to add on to the house and put a pool in. So that's why they're kind of having this, have us do this. As you can hear, the pump is still running. Basically sucking it down, sending it up through the here and there, and off she goes to the other end of the world. Should be cutting off in a minute. Again, this is ASAP Plumbing and Lift Station Services, 904-346-1266. And this is how to test a lift station. Like I said, the lift station's in. 264 gallon capacity lift station, 2 2-horsepower pumps. We do travel. We're a state certified contractor. We're a state certified general contractor. We're a state certified utility contractor. We're a state certified plumbing contractor. Again, our phone number is 904-346-1266. This should turn off. And again, we've been testing this for 2 days now, and everything's been working perfectly. Still sucking down. If you notice, the pumps are getting more visible. So sometime in the next minute or two, it should cut off. And the black and blue items are floats. Those floats is what tells it to turn on and turn off based on certain levels. It just turned off. So pump number 2 is turned off. We're still adding water to the system. We're running a shower or drain or a couple of faucets, and that's what's running out from the house. We'll probably put about 50 or 70 gallons of water on the system, and in about 30 minutes it will turn back on again. So we've been testing this for about 2 hours, just wanting to make sure that the floats are working properly. Again, thank you for looking at our video. ASAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266. State Certified Contractor, CFCO 56659. State Certified General Contractor, State Certified Plumbing Contractor, State Certified Utility Contractor, And like I said, the name of the company is ASAP Plumbing and Lift Station Services. We also have a division called ASAP General Contracting. Thank you for watching our video.